Hello everybody, back with another pine cleaner video. Today we have Ocean Pine Oil Deodorant Cleanser. And check that out, 80% pure pine oil. This is a plastic bottle. And here are the directions. Please pause if you want to look at that a little closer. I want to take a closer look at the ingredients. This is no nonsense stuff here. 80% pine oil, of course, 7% soap, 3% isopropyl alcohol, and 10% water. You don't need much else besides that. Let me get my bucket set up and get the floor swept, and we'll give this stuff a try. I have my trusty bucket ready to go, and as usual, 1 cap full of cleaning product. A generous cap full. And I don't know if you can see from there, but immediately cloudy. And you can see the pine oil floating on top. So the mop, I'll mix that up, and that should mix it thoroughly. Get backed up here and let's commence to mopping. And this stuff here rivals the original Pine Sol. Not what they sell now, but the kind of like the stuff I've been using in the previous videos. Very nice pine scent with this one. As you can see, it picked up a fair amount of dirt, and the workshop has a nice fresh pine clean scent. That was my air freshener, so that'll make it smell even better. So now it's time to dry the floors. Got two 36-inch Hunter original ceiling fans in here. Put them on high. We'll get the floor dried right quick. Also, the AC is on, set on 70 degrees, so that'll help. It's about 5 minutes later and the floor is pretty well dried up. Very nice strong pine aroma in the workshop. So this stuff's pretty solid. Once again, this has been a look at my Ocean Pine Oil Deodorant Cleanser with 80% pine oil. Thank you for watching. And just a little quick update. I fixed my floor that had the broken tile right there up against the panel. So there it is. Floor's looking good.